What's going on, everyone? So today I want to take a look at the top gainer, SCKT, otherwise known as Socket Mobile, and they're just going absolutely insane today. And let's go ahead and actually take a look at their chart. So here I'll pull up TradingView, and it's just going crazy. Like, look at this. So just the past few days, it's hovering around 260, sub $3, give or take. And then let me just measure this increase. And if I just zoom in a little bit so I can get a better visual, I'll just pick this point like right here. Let's just do like $3 even. And then looking at this percentage gain, let's go to the all-time high here. I mean, 700 plus percent. That's absolutely insane. And the reason is because of some news that actually got announced today that I want to share with you. And also, I'll just show you really real quick what Socket Mobile SCKT does. And before I get into that, just remember, nothing I say in this video is financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before making any investments. And let me just get out of this really quick. So here I am on their website, and as you can see, it's pretty self-explanatory, but they do mobile barcode scanners and NFC/RFID readers. So if you're in some sort of retail business or maybe e-commerce, you sell products, whether it's in-store, online, but basically if they have a barcode on it, then you can utilize this company's services. And this is like their main, obviously, if you've seen stores and everything, they have the actual physical scanner. And this is also big for like companies that need to keep up with their stock. So companies that have uniforms with little barcodes on it, that's another way to keep up with stock. And there's a bunch of use cases for this, obviously, but pretty much that's their like website and what they do. And you might look at it and like think, why did SCKT Socket Mobile go crazy today? And it's because of this news that they announced, and I'll bring up the article here. And they essentially launched the first enterprise-grade scanner for Apple iPhone 12 series. So essentially, they have this product, which they can say here, Durasled. And I'll show you actually some pictures of it in a second. But this is for the newest iPhone version, at least right now. And basically, you can utilize your iPhone as an enterprise-grade scanner. So in terms of the access and the just simplicity, where someone can just go ahead and plug their iPhone in, boom, there you go. They have exactly what you need to go ahead and, whether it's update the shelves with the products that you have, like at a grocery store, or whatever use case you have for your the scanning of the barcodes, then basically you can do that now with an iPhone. So now, right now, the price obviously is going up hyperbolic, and obviously you can see that it dipped already, but right now, that's just like the major thing. So let me actually show you the picture of it in case you're like wondering what this is. And actually, let me see. So right now, before I get into it, let me just show you the general product first, because you're probably wondering like why would this company be worth hundreds of millions based off the current price, right, at like 20 plus. But here, this is just a general barcode, right? So anywhere from couple hundred, so 200-ish plus to 500 plus, right, give or take. That's their main product. And then you can see here, like that's basically that's the standard typical barcode scanner. Now you can see here the actual Durasled, and this article actually has a link directly to like the main page of it. So let me just show you here. So you can see here there is the phones, and then there's the little like plug-in. So you can see Durasled family, and then you can see the cost of these. So it's not that much different in terms of the pricing. They have obviously the cheaper version, sub 200, upwards of 500 plus. And you can see like all of the different like, let's just click into this so you can see more details, right? So here, this is what it looks like. And if I can, maybe I can zoom in, you can see all the barcodes. And then let's see if I can go to see what the let's go down. Yeah, so these are all the details of it, but yeah, pretty much the type of iPhones, etc. But yeah, I'll go back because the picture, it had the actual like uses. So you have Shopify, Square, Shopkeep, etc. So that's a lot of e-commerce and payment brands out there. And now if you look at the actual stats, so let's go here to FinViz, and yeah, I don't know how to get rid of this. It's ad right here, but yeah, you can see here it just goes absolutely insane. Let me click off here, and then if you go down to the bottom, the financials is something you want to check into in case people are just trying to get in, FOMOing. And right now their total revenue, it's only a few mil, but their actual income, like net income, is, well, here is negative in 2018. They barely made some profit here, and then now it's negative again. So maybe this iPhone could get them back to profitability and increase their overall net income. But in terms of the market cap that is currently evaluated, so let's actually bring that up really quick. So here, just on Google, the current market cap, and it's at a 130 plus mil. That's absolutely incredible, but also extremely high in my opinion, because if you just look at the numbers that they're generating in terms of their revenue and actual net income, like if you just do the math, that's literally so much multiple, like over, let's say for instance, if they made just say $5 million net income, that would be over a 20 plus X, basically like a 25 plus X valuation at the current price. So obviously this price is going to correct, at least I think is going to correct in the next few days, or maybe even later today. So obviously you're looking to get in. I mean, it's everybody when you went in, right? So they made like a 7 plus X return already, which is quite insane in just a short period of time. But I'm not really sure why the price is at this point. Maybe people are just FOMOing in, whatnot. But definitely let me know your thoughts about SCKT down below. And what do you think the actual price of this company should be worth? And let me know what you think about the future of this company, because there are also competitors, right? Barcode scanners is not like some super, breaking technology like maybe EV cars or, flying drones. Right, it's something that I'm sure other companies could easily just build their own little software app, and I'm sure they already have some maybe around the world that I'm not aware of. But obviously, this is the first enterprise grade one according to this article, so that's why it's the biggest news. But I'm sure the other companies that have these similar business model could just easily adapt to it. So let me know your thoughts on what you think about this company and these gains for the day. And also let me know some stocks that you're looking into down below. And since you made this far in the video, if you guys want to go ahead and get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850, then you can go ahead in the description below, click on that first link, and then when you sign up through that link and deposit $100 onto your accounts, you will receive 2 free stocks valued up to potentially $1,850. And if you use my link, I'll also receive 2 free stocks as well, and that benefits both of us. So in case you haven't already got on Webull, definitely go and check it out. And aside from that, if you haven't already, you want to keep up with the news updates on the market, see what's going on, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.